social experiment, the ultimate selfie spot, no one sees it in the exact same way.
Alrighty, good morning folks, and happy Father's Day to any of the father figures present. I'll let y'all know super quick, those are going to be closing automatically. As you see them closing, you are welcome to start looking around. Your next stop is going to be level 100, okay? Please enjoy. Thank you.
Because you read, you'd be like, hey, can I roll that? Because I don't know it. Do you know if it's taken your old one?
I have no idea.
Thank you for visiting. You'll soon be on the
Because it's like sandwiched between
Have a
people,
great
I
day.
think.
Does it have like a, because not all of them do.
Not all of them have a name tag?
A label, yeah. Some of them might actually be.
Mine doesn't have a
Please
label.
don't touch any buttons under it. But yeah, it definitely, I think there's a chance, but there are some without stickers that actually are taken. But we'll see. A lot of people have dibs. Check out the screen behind you.